Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best fleece blankets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Bedsure Fleece Blanket. This fleece blanket is an excellent choice for those looking to stay cozy and warm. Perfect for snuggling up on chilly winter nights, the blanket features enhanced premium microfiber materials that make it both thicker and softer than ever before. It also maintains the ideal balance between weight and warmth, so you won't be weighed down in bed or on the couch. What we like about it. Luxurious softness. Available in many sizes and colors. Enhanced premium material. What we don't like about it. Can get lint on other fabrics. Number 2. Utopia Bedding Fleece Blanket. The Utopia Bedding Fleece Blanket is the perfect addition to any bedroom or living space. Measuring 90 inches by 90 inches, this blanket is the ideal size for an adult. Its luxurious texture and neutral gray color will add elegance to any room. Made with 300 GSM flannel fleece, this blanket offers an extra warm and cozy experience. The two-sided pile, 1-inch hem, and double needle stitching ensure this high-quality blanket will last for years to come. The gentle weight of the blanket will keep you warm and comfortable all year round, making it the perfect choice for cold winter nights and chilly, air-conditioned rooms. What we like about it. Perfect for year-round use. High-quality flannel and fleece materials. Lightweight yet warm. Easy to clean and maintain. What we don't like about it. May shed a bit. Number 3. EcoSplay Fleece Blanket. This fleece blanket is the perfect choice for adding extra warmth and comfort to any room. This premium, silky, flannel and fleece throw blanket is made from 100% microfiber polyester, making it ultra-soft, fluffy, pill-resistant, and lightweight. It's great for staying warm on chilly days and adds a splash of style to your home with its reversible design and attractive colors and patterns. This throw blanket is versatile enough to be used year-round. It can be draped over a couch or bed, or used in a study or office. What we like about it. Fluffy, pill-resistant, and lightweight. Available in many color choices. Shrink-resistant and durable. What we don't like about it. Maybe smaller than expected. Number 4. Utex Fleece Blanket. This blanket is a luxurious, soft, and cozy blanket that's perfect for all seasons. It's made entirely from high-grade, premium microfiber polyester material that perfectly balances comfort and style. The fabric is incredibly lightweight, making it a great travel companion or addition to any room in your home. The material is soft, durable, and designed to last through frequent use and multiple washes. Its exceptional fade resistance ensures its color stays true and vibrant, even after months of use. It's machine washable with cold water on a gentle, delicate cycle. What we like about it. Fuzzy texture provides the ultimate comfort. Machine washable on gentle cycle. Ideal for every season. Fade and wrinkle resistant. What we don't like about it. May pill slightly over time. Number 5. Cozy Luxe Fleece Blanket. The Cozy Luxe Fleece Blanket is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a comfortable and versatile lightweight blanket to use at home or while traveling. It's made from super soft microfiber polyester and has a smooth surface, which gives it a luxurious texture. It strikes a perfect balance between breathability and warmth, making it ideal for all-season use. This throw blanket features a neutral gray color and measures 50 inches by 60 inches, making it just the right size for sofas, chairs, and beds. What we like about it. Available in additional colors and sizes. Incredibly durable and breathable. Free from chemicals and phthalates. Suitable for all seasons. What we don't like about it. Maybe thinner than expected. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.